Do you understand English, but feel shy while speaking? Don't worry. Today, we are going to improve it together.
Ready to go in?
Yes, Mommy!
All right, let's go.
Wow, Mama! This shop is so big and colorful!
It is, my dear. Let's see what treasures we can find. Yes, sweetheart. Stay close to me, okay?
Hey, Mama! Can we buy my new course things today?
Of course, but remember, no touching without asking.
Okay, Mama. Look at all the books!
Welcome. Please be careful with the items.
Yes, thank you. We will be careful.
Oh, what are those cute things?
What did you see, dear?
That one, Mama. Oh, wow. Mama, look! These erasers are animals!
Amina, wait for me, sweetheart.
They look so soft and cute. Just one little touch. Hey, little bunny, you are so pretty.
Amina, did you ask first?
I was just looking, Mama.
Remember what I told you.
Oh, I think it opens. Wait. Oh, Mama, it broke.
Hey, please do not play with the items.
I am sorry. I didn't mean to break it.
It's okay, Amina. Mama is here. Hey, don't cry, sweetheart. Accidents can happen. I'm really sorry. She is just 5. We will pay for the eraser.
Please be more careful next time.
Yes, of course.
Mama, I feel bad.
That means your heart is good.
Mama, I should have asked first.
Yes, that is the right way.
Sir, I am really sorry. I will be careful next time.
That's okay, little one. Thank you for saying sorry.
Only one, sweetie? I can't choose.
Take them both.
Yes, thank you. Oh, thank you, sir.
Good job, Amina. Ready to buy your school things now?
Yes, Mama, and I will be careful.
Here, a little gift for being honest.
Wow, really? Mama, I learned something today.
What did you learn?
Always ask before touching in shops.
That's my smart girl.
Remember, small daily practice creates big results. So keep rising with Daily Rise English. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.